Hello everyone, and welcome to our vocabulary lesson of 40 words used at the airport or while travelling. Let's get started, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. Terminal. Definition. A building where passengers arrive and depart. Example sentence. We waited for our flight at Terminal 3. Gate. Definition. The area where passengers board their flight. Example sentence. Our gate number is B12. Boarding pass. Definition. A document that allows you to board the plane. Example sentence. Don't lose your boarding pass. Passport. Definition. An official document to travel internationally. Example sentence. You need a valid passport to enter the country. Visa. Definition. An official permit to enter or stay in a country. Example sentence. She got a tourist visa for 30 days. Security check. Definition. The process of screening passengers before boarding. Example sentence. We passed through the security check quickly. Baggage claim. Definition. The area where passengers collect their luggage. Example sentence. You can find your suitcase at baggage claim area 5. Luggage. Definition. Bags and suitcases used for travel. Example sentence. His luggage was too heavy. Carry-on. Definition. A small bag you are allowed to bring on the plane. Example sentence. My carry-on fits in the overhead bin. Check-in. Definition. The process of confirming your flight and dropping off luggage. Example sentence. We checked in online to save time. Boarding. Definition. The process of getting on the plane. Example sentence. Boarding will begin in 10 minutes. Flight number. Definition. The identifying number of a flight. Example sentence. Our flight number is L722. Departure. Definition. The act of leaving. Example sentence. The departure time is 4:45 p.m. Arrival. Definition. The act of reaching a destination. Example sentence. The arrival gate is crowded. Customs. Definition. The process of checking goods and documents at the border. Example sentence. We were stopped at customs. Immigration. Definition. The process of entering a country and being checked. Example sentence. Immigration took longer than expected. Delayed. Definition. When a flight is late. Example sentence. Our flight was delayed by 2 hours. Cancelled. Definition. When a flight is officially not happening. Example sentence. The flight was cancelled due to bad weather. On time. Definition. When a flight is scheduled and not delayed. Example sentence. Our flight is on time. Gate change. Definition. When your boarding gate is different than before. Example sentence. There was a last-minute gate change. Layover. Definition. A stop between flights. Example sentence. We have a 3-hour layover in Dubai. Direct flight. Definition. A flight with no stops between departure and arrival. Example sentence. I prefer a direct flight to New York. Connecting flight. Definition. A flight that continues after a layover. Example sentence. We nearly missed our connecting flight. Runway. Definition. A long strip of land where planes take off and land. Example sentence. The plane is waiting on the runway. Pilot. Definition. The person who flies the airplane. Example sentence. The pilot welcomed us on board. Cabin crew. Definition. Staff who take care of passengers during the flight. Example sentence. The cabin crew demonstrated safety procedures. Seat belt. Definition. A belt that holds passengers in place. Example sentence. Fasten your seatbelt, please. Window seat. Definition. A seat next to the window on the plane. Example sentence. I always ask for a window seat. Aisle seat. Definition. A seat next to the aisle. Example sentence. I prefer an aisle seat for easy access. Overhead bin. Definition. A storage compartment above seats. Example sentence. Put your bag in the overhead bin. Trolley. Definition. A cart used for carrying luggage. Example sentence. He loaded the bags onto a trolley. Travel insurance. Definition. Insurance that covers travel-related risks. Example sentence. It's a good idea to buy travel insurance. Announcement. Definition. A public message over the loudspeaker. Example sentence. There was an announcement about our flight delay. Identification. Definition. A document proving who you are. Example sentence. Please show your identification. Itinerary. Definition. A detailed plan of your trip. Example sentence. My itinerary includes hotel and flight details. Jet lag. Definition. Tiredness from changing time zones. Example sentence. I had terrible jet lag after the long flight. Turbulence. Definition. Sudden movements during a flight due to air pressure changes. Example sentence. We experienced turbulence mid-flight. Upgrade. Definition. Moving to a better seat or class. Example sentence. I got a free upgrade to business class. Duty-free. Definition. Shopping exempt from certain taxes at the airport. Example sentence. I bought perfume at the duty-free store. Flight attendant. Definition. A flight attendant is a person whose job it is to look after passengers on an airplane. Example sentence. The flight attendant demonstrated how to use the life vest before the plane took off. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and leave a comment below to let us know what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video. If you would like to support the channel, please buy us a coffee in the link below.